everyone. We Team Sentinels present NetScan, an AI-powered cyber defense and vulnerability management system designed to help startups to identify, predict, and mitigate security risk in their network. So first, I'll explain how NetScan works. It works in a structured pipeline to provide a complete security visibility. User enters network range and the system performs network discovery to identify active devices. Next, it performs port scanning to detect open ports and expose services on each devices. Using service fingerprinting, NetScan identifies the exact service and version running on each port. So the first, login panel. On the left side, we have admin login panel, the email ID and password. And there's a guest access button too, just to continue as a guest, allowing user to explore the system with limited access without creating an account. And the registration link, enabling them to create an account and securely store this data. So this is the information panel. And so after login, the NetScan dashboard with the current scan status is displayed. So on the left-hand side, we have scan configuration panel. Here the user enters the subnet or IP range to scan. For example, we have given this IP address. This section allows user to start or cancel and scans easily. There's a quick stats panel, which provides an overview of number of devices connected, total vulnerabilities, and the number of reports generated. We also have a severity breakdown showing critical, high, medium, and low risk level. In the center, we have live logs section or panel, which shows the real-time scanning activity. Each line represents the device being scanned, allowing user to monitor the progress. And there's a progress bar at the top, which indicates how much of the scan has been completed. There's a scan results section, which detects the devices and their security status are being displayed. For example, the device shows no major vulnerabilities and is classified into low risk. There's an AI summary section panel at the bottom. AI assistant also is there at the bottom right. So a NetBot AI. NetScan integrates an AI assistant called NetBot AI, which helps user to understand, validate, and resolve security issues without requiring deep cybersecurity knowledge. So it's an AI guided manual testing. For example, I've given a command, give me manual testing steps, and it has provided me or suggested me with a guide. Now I've asked it to give me some troubleshoot steps. So it has given me with troubleshooting guide as well. So here I've provided a PDF and I want to summarize it. So it will give me the summary of the report also. So overall, NetBot AI enhances NetScan by combining the automated scanning, guided manual testing, and intelligent troubleshooting. So this transformed NetScan from a simple scanner into a complete AI-assisted cyber defense system. Thank you.